Hello, I am uppercase letter F. Today you're going to practice how to write me. So let's see. F for fish. Great. Now, do you have your pencil? Great. Grab it and let's go. First, you go to the dot and you trace down. Great. And you go back to the dot and you trace to the side. Stop. And you go to the dot line and you trace side. Great. Next dot. Down. Back to the top. Side. And to the dot line, a short line. Side. Stop. Good. Down. Back to the top. Side. And now to the dot line. Trace side, short line. Side. Stop. Good. Now back to the dot, down, back to the top, side, to the dot line, short line, side, stop. Back to the dot, down, to the top, side, and to the middle, short line, side, stop. Great. Now you know how to trace your letter F. Grab your writing book and trace more letter F. See you. Bye-bye.